Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix message unavailable in Instagram. If you're using Instagram and you're having an issue that your message has unavailable, so let's see how can you fix that issue. First of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. So open up your quick settings and here you have to make sure that you're connected to internet, or you just have to enable your airplane mode here and briefly wait for 5 or 10 seconds, then disable it again. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. Now wait for your phone until it connects to internet, and you can easily directly go for Wi-Fi settings, and from here you can easily connect to your internet connection. Once you have connected, you have to relaunch your Instagram app, and here go for this message option here, and here you have to click if you have received the message. But if you are still not receiving the message or your message is unavailable, so it might be that the person on the second side has been deleted the message. So if so sometimes it might be that the person has blocked you. So if the sender has blocked you, so you will get the message that the message is unavailable. So in this way you cannot get the message. So you have to make sure that the person hasn't blocked you. If the person hasn't blocked you, you have to message in the game that please resend the message, and the person can resend your message, and you can really see that. So in this way, you can really fix that if message is unavailable on your Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.